Let's move, guys.
Mid's good. That's good. I think we can handle it.
Woods come from the 12 o'clock of moon. Woods come from the 12 o'clock of moon. Woods party and Yezro party come from the 12 o'clock.
Oh, I see greedy.
Ready, guys? 5 seconds.
Lalatag ako.
Good luck, good luck. Let's go. We're green, by the way. We're green. We're green.
No one at sun.
Okay. Start moving to star.
Okay.
Okay.
Leave moon, guys. Leave moon. We'll stack, leave moon. We'll go to sun side. We'll stack, we'll go to sun side. Leave moon. Don't give multiple kills.
Minimum amount of deaths, yeah. Minimum amount of deaths. Move here. Move to 3 o'clock now.
Go outside of moon first. Go outside of sun first.
Okay.
Outside of sun. You don't need to kill. Ready for moon take. Who's? Now start pushing in now. Pushing in now.
We're gonna take mid so that we can move out a little bit faster.
Very nice.
Star. Need here as star.
We'll stack, push sun. Ay, star. Push star. Tokyo stack, go to star. We'll retake star. Everyone at star now. Fast. Inside. We can. Inside. Just numbers, guys. We can. It's fine. Tokyo stack, go to sun.
Oh
We'll
my
stack, spawn moon, we'll stack. Spawn moon. Tokyo stack, go to sun, we'll stack. Prepare for moon, we'll stack. We'll stack moon.
Good.
Inside now. We'll stack inside now. Just keep on spawning moon. We'll stack.
Oh, you guys are gonna push?
Then Tokyo stack will go run to star.
So go back to the corner now.
Go to star now with Tokyo stack.
Okay.
Just keep on spawning moon, guys. We'll stack. Just keep on spawning moon. Everyone on star now. If you die, go to star fast.
At bottom of star.
Care of demon outside of star.
Okay.
Well played.
Okay, mid is good. We got control.
Tokyo run to sun now. We'll stack ready for moon. We'll push moon. You can go to moon. Respawn.
20 seconds for the mobs. 20 seconds for the mobs.
We'll stack. Let's push moon.
14, 13.
So many at sun. So many
Okay.
at sun.
It's fine. Go to moon. Tokyo. We'll fight for moon.
Okay, mid is good.
Inside.
Mobs.
Just numbers.
Incoming from sun side.
Okay, we got it. We'll stack, go to star. Tokyo stack, go to sun.
Okay.
3 o'clock is always our...
Let's go inside now. We'll stack.
We're 5K. Hold this lead.
No, it's not locked.
Guys, move back.
It's fine.
Don't stay in the middle. The stairs at 3 o'clock. Go. Everyone.
Ready moon. Tokyo ready for moon also.
Stay away from the...
Let's go moon now. Even Tokyo stack. Let's secure moon.
We're at
Oh shit.
It's fine. Go take moon. Go take moon.
Fine. Move back. I don't want anyone to...
Just stay inside. Let's go like this. Tokyo stack, go to sun. Ready for sun. Tokyo stack. I don't know. Tokyo stack upper left. Wood stack upper right. Except party 1 and party 2 and Yezro. Let's go mobs. Tokyo stack upper left. Wood stack except Woods and Yezro. Lower middle. We'll secure mobs.
Sending. Okay, here we go. There's a small stack in 5 o'clock. Break
It's
this,
fine,
break
it's
this, break
fine.
this, break this. Don't chase them. Don't chase them.
10 seconds for mobs, guys. Secure mobs, secure mobs. We need to secure mobs.
I've been trying to push it by.
4 seconds.
Push them
3,
back, push them back.
2, 1. Everyone regroup at star. We're stuck at star now. We're stuck at star now. We're stuck at star now. Let's get star.
I'll try to distract them.
Okay.
Don't push, guys. No. Go back.
Tokyo
go back,
stack
go back.
ready
Don't
for
push them.
sun.
Go-
Just ready
back
for
to
sun.
three,
Tokyo
back to
stack.
three, back to three. Once you clear them up, don't chase. Like, go back to that area.
Was stuck spawn star. Was stuck spawn star. Both moon and star is open. Both moon and star is open.
There's a small stack at what they call 2 o'clock. Clear them. Here.
Tokyo stack goes sun. Tokyo stack goes sun. Ready. Was stuck run to sun. Run to sun now. Run to sun now. Leave this. Sun is open.
14 minutes. 13 minutes. We're gonna be pushing it. 13 minutes. We're gonna be pushing it. We're going to secure Bapo, and once Bapo is down, we're gonna need to get out of the battlefield as soon as possible.
Was stuck. Start pushing to moon. Was stuck. Let's go push. Let's go push. Let's go push while they're taking star. Let's go push.
30 seconds before we push. 30
Sa
seconds before
Tokyo ready for sun. Tokyo.
Relax. One minute and 10 seconds before.
Everyone go back to moon. Spawn, keep on spawning. Keep on spawning moon. Give it up. Everyone go back to sun. Sun. Let it turn.
Save your yes.
Tokyo, please go to star Tokyo.
Oblivion. Let's start pushing.
Let's everyone go to star.
Everyone
Even
push
was
mid,
stuck.
push
Go to star now.
mid. Everyone, I want all bodies on mid.
Was stuck ready for moon. Was stuck ready for moon. Moon now. Was stuck moon now. Go inside moon. Leave. I want a frozen here between sun, moon, and star.
20 seconds.
Very nice.
Coming moon.
Move back faster.
Okay.
Coming from far. Coming from far.
From
Copy. Tokyo run to sun.
Okay.
Just let it turn first. You don't need to hold. Was stuck. Go back. Give up moon. Go to star. Go to star. Was stuck.
Everyone out. Back to usual. Moral still.
Don't
Very
use
nice.
Guys, I see.
Yeah.
Battlefield. Get back to guild hall. Back to guild hall now. I see names.
Everyone moon.
They're up. They hit 8K. They can come back. Get the fuck out of battlefield now.
Give up moon. We'll all regroup to sun. Everyone regroup to sun. I want Tokyo to Tokyo party to position themselves up upper right for mobs. We'll hold this before OB. We want to secure mobs.
Out now.
By the way, we 400 point advantage.
Yeah. Push moon first. Push moon. We'll stack. Push moon. Only we'll stack. Push moon.
500.
At 10:30, I want Salmon party at upper left. Tokyo stack upper right.
Someone's still inside.
After we lock moon, we will go to OB with stack.
Stop moving. Good.
I want Salmon party upper left. Tokyo party upper right. Start moving to OB now. Everyone,
Okay.
OB now. OB now. At 10-10, someone put drop sigil at OB now. Drop sigil at OB now. We need to clear this. Clear it. I want sigils.
1381 to 700. Okay. Stop it. I still see
Nice.
in here.
Go to star. Everyone go to star. We got it.
Yeah, Kebich,
Very nice, very nice.
Natin, naka-monitor ako, patay ako.
Everyone star.
13 to 7.
Nice. Push mon now.
Kuha ko big.
Locking moon.
Okay, we got like
Let's
2 to 6.
Yeah,
Just kill 15 people. We win.
We won.
Nice one, guys. Well played.
Oh,
GG.
GG.
Thank you, guys.
GG's.
Our first.